He is working as a professor in Department of Telugu Studies, SP College of Arts. He received about 10 national and international awards like UNESCO Award, Bal Sahyog Award in 2001 and also Outstanding Young Person in the field of Telugu literature and many more. He is legal and artist, photographer, cartoonist and freelance journalist. About few of his books were published like Janapada Shungaragayalu in 1989, Chittoor Jilla Pallepadu, Kalipadalu in 1992. He was awarded B.N. Shastri Literature Award for Tirumeshwari Alayam in 1977, Kallepatala Parandhamudu in 1998, Janapada Gayalo Sangeeta Amsalu in 1990, which was published in Prime Minister's Special Issue. He attended more than 77 national and 5 international conferences. About 21 chairman and secretary of SP University. As an artist, several drawings were published in various magazines. 200 cover designs to different books. As a cartoonist, about 100 cartoons were published in different weeklies, monthlies and diaries. As a photographer, several photographs were published.
We are highly privileged to have Sri Surya Munduru, who is the chief guest of today's function. I am happy to present a brief biodata of our chief guest. Sir Surya Munduru, founder of Samasa, has 15 years experience in building small to large scale computing systems and technology companies. He is co-founder of IPSG Systems, a software developer. He most recently as a manager in Microsoft Corp. USA played key role in building distributed computing platforms for Microsoft Health Research and Microsoft Windows Live Technologies. Before Microsoft, he was with Skypilot Network, Airport Systems, TCS and Robert Bosch GmbH in various capacities and built software teams for scans and delivered products, web services in startup companies. He successfully co-founded and sold IT services company in Profile. He spent 10 years in Silicon Valley, USA before returning to India. Now I request our chief guest, Sir Sri Surya Munduru Garu, to address gathering.
Good evening. To one and all present here, especially the gurus who are imparting knowledge to build the next generation India here, and also the foundation pillars started from there and going with the Indian economy liberalization to take the lead across the world by Indians. I'm pretty happy to stay in front of you. I'm like a kid, just 15 years back here. Born and brought up nearby village, studied in regular schools. I'm a student of SV Junior College here. Then did my BTech from JNTU Anandpur. So then I privileged to work for Robert Bosch, a German company to start with. Then worked for TCS as a manager. Then went to US and worked for a couple of startup companies in Silicon Valley. My whole learning experience of building products or getting the innovation started in Silicon Valley. Before that, I was doing regular software services. So building the companies from scratch requires not only just learning the technology and applying, thinking beyond the limits, open thinking, or whatever you want to call it as. Think ruthlessly, that's what you need to do. Spend your energy and focus where you like the most. Doesn't matter whether it is technology, or entrepreneurship, or leadership, or even politics for that matter. Today, we are in unique position across the world, Indians. best foundation started with people like Mr. Banu Garu. Do you know why? Can anybody tell me why people like them? It's the mathematics. It's the mathematics is the foundation. The mathematics is the foundation for computing. We are chasing the world because we have strong mathematics in our brains. We don't type on the computers. We don't use calculator to do the mathematics. We start with writing with the hands, counting numbers. The day you born, your mothers will start teaching you that. We are very strong in mathematics. And second thing, we are fortunate to rule by Britishers. I say this. Yeah, sometimes we have been suppressed by them. But the development foundation, the basics of foundation, to reach across the world, not just in India, started with the English knowledge that we have. Compared to China, we are uniquely positioned to take over the world on computing just because we have mathematics and English combination of skills. I am sure we are very, very fortunate to have the media that is available to everybody in the world, across the villages and small towns and cities here. Equally, it's available. So, to succeed, only the thing that you want to have, the willingness to succeed, burning desire to succeed. The events like this promote your organizational development skills. And each and every one of you should participate either as an organizer
I request all the crowd to please maintain silence, please.
So this is the way the programs promotes here, build the culture of developing the leadership across your basic skill set. That's where we lack today. I'm sure this is done fantastically compared to the ages that we were in the colleges. And each and every one are going to contribute to the growth of India. So 15 years back, we used to struggle to get the visas in US consulates. And they used to look at like, oh, these guys are coming for visas, let them wait in the lines. Last week I visited US consulate Hyderabad. The pride in going there is so different. The experience is so different. We are Indians winning everywhere. The respect you get is so different now compared to the 15 years back, the way other parts of the world look at us. We are the leading guys in the world and take over the world either in fashion of technology or the development or the banking or insurance, any sector that you take it. We are the best now. And each one of you are going to be the best. Believe in your basic skill set. Work hard, focus, same time enjoy the max at this age. So, this is the message I want to give it today. And I'll end my message at this point. And we are starting the companies in small cities like this. And we generate economic growth. I want each one of you to come back after working for 10-15 years and start the companies or economic, anything that is related to business in your own country, own villages or towns or cities. So the satisfaction that I get here is more than what the money that I made all throughout my career. I wish each and every one of you all the best, and I'm sure each one of you going to win a lot. That means a lot to the country. All the best.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring message, and I hope every one of us follows your words. Now, the event for which all of us have been awaiting has come. Can you guess? Yes, it's the prize distribution. I request Dr. S. Vadarajan Garu to take up the charge of prize distribution.
For prize distribution. like to invite the felicities to come up to the podium and address our dear students. I now request Sri Singapore Satyanarayana Garu to address the gathering.
వేదిక మీద ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రజలందరికీ, ఇక్కడ విచ్చేసినటువంటి విద్యార్థులకు అందరికీ ఇంత పెద్ద కార్యక్రమం నిర్వహిస్తున్నటువంటి ఆర్గనైజర్స్కి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తూ, నేను చాలా అదృష్టవంతుడిని. 2003లో అగ్రికల్చర్ కాలేజ్ నుంచి రిటైర్ అయిన వాడిని. కానీ నిర్విరామంగా చిత్రకళా ప్రయోగాలు చేస్తున్నాను. ఎక్కువ ప్రయోగాలు వేదిక మీదే చేస్తున్నాను. నా పెయింటింగ్స్ దేశ విదేశాల్లో ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జిబిట్ అవుతున్నాయి. దాంతోపాటు చిత్రలేఖన అవధానం అనేది ఒక ప్రక్రియ. ఎంతమంది ప్రశ్నలు వేసినప్పుడు కూడా అందరి ముందు వేదిక మీద చిత్రాలు వేయటం అనేది ఒక మంచి గురువు డికేఎస్ వర్మ గారు వారి ఆధ్వర్యంలో జరిగింది. ఈ నెలలోనే ఇది 3వ సన్మానం. రాజమండ్రిలో 2, తిరుపతిలో. అయితే కళాకారుల్ని ఈ విధంగా సన్మానించడం అనేది పేట నాకు మొదటి నుంచి పరిచయం. వారు వేసే చిత్రాలు తెలుస్తున్నాము. అయితే ప్రతి మనిషిలోనూ ఒక కళాత్మక జిజ్ఞాస ఉంటుంది. ఇవాళ వేసినటువంటి పెయింటింగ్లు కానీ, దయచేసినటువంటి మోడల్స్ కానీ, ప్రతి విషయంలో కూడా మీలో టాలెంట్స్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. విజ్ఞానంతో పాటు, వినోదంతో పాటు, విద్యతో పాటు మిగిలిన టాలెంట్స్ కూడా డెవలప్ చేసుకుంటే ఒక ఆత్మ సంతృప్తి, మనం ఎదుగుదలలో ఒక పరిపూర్ణత కనిపిస్తుందని నా అభిప్రాయం. నాకు సన్మానం చేసినందుకు మీరందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను.
Hello. May now call upon Professor K. M. Bhanu Garu to address his dear students. Electronic media, good evening to one and all. I stand before you to say just few words because we are very much interested in conducting our program. I want to tell you why I am so much emotionally attached to SV College of Engineering. My career started with only one engineering college, SV College of Engineering. I attended only one interview in my lifetime. And from then onwards, like 12/11/1976, I have been attached to SV College of Engineering. And this college taught me a lot of discipline, sincerity and hard work. All these qualities I could achieve by serving the 22 principals of this college so far. Right from the first principal of college. And I am attached to cultural activities because of some personalities belonging to this college and also University College. To name few, Professor Raman Rao of Mechanical Engineering and E.L. Prasad of Department of Geology. They were responsible for dragging me into the field of culture. When I was a student, when I was young, I was watching the programs which are conducted at the university level. Those days, festivals were held for weekdays, and I was attending those festivals. And when I see the team from engineering college, they used to excel in much of the activities, and the technical skills that were presented during that time were quite exemplary. Like in the theatre events, I I was surprised to see some thunderstorms or the rainfall coming out on the stage. Such activities were introduced way back in 1973, if I quote, when there were no such technical advances during that time. So that inspired me to associate myself in these cultural activities. And these cultural activities, as the chief guest told, it creates some kind of creativity mind in the students, and also the other skills that are needed to act as team leaders when they get into some jobs. With this intention, we entrust the entire work of conducting such programs for the students themselves, and I see the meticulous planning, the sweat and hard work of the entire team and also the students of engineering college in conducting this Rhapsody in a very efficient and magnificent way. I congratulate the entire team and also the faculty behind it. Thank you very much.
వెంకటేశ్వరి గారు ప్రసంగించవలసిన కోరుతున్నాను.
వేదిక మీద ఉన్న పెద్దలకు నా నమస్కారాలు. మా ముందున్న ఇంజనీరింగ్ దేవుళ్లకు నా అభివాదాలు. ఇంజనీరింగ్ దేవుళ్ళు అని ఎందుకంటే మీ వల్లనే ఈ లైట్లు వెళ్తున్నాయి, మీ వల్లనే ఈ సౌండ్ సిస్టమ్ పలుకుతోంది, మీ వల్లనే ఆనకట్టలు నిర్మించాం, మీ వల్లనే విమానాలు, బస్సులు, రైళ్లు అభివృద్ధి